Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever desperately needed a tool to solve a problem, but after 30 minutes of Googling, trying 12 different apps, either they don't work, are crazy expensive, and you're still stuck at zero progress? Well, let me introduce you to OnSpace AI, the first AI that builds the tool for you in minutes. No coding, no templates. You literally just talk to it like you're explaining the problem to a teammate. And here's the crazy part. If the tool you create ends up being useful for others too, OnSpace AI can even help you add payment features and turn it into your own mini side business. Now comes the most powerful part of OnSpace, the Agentic App Builder. This feature can build fully functional applications with backend logic in minutes. So to test it, I built an AI room design app in around 30 minutes. Let's see what it can do. I upload a real photo of my room, pick the room type and style, and it transforms the space. While keeping the original layout, window position, and perspective exactly the same. What surprised me most is the before and after slider. Dragging it feels like watching my own room get professionally renovated in real time. Same space, but beautifully redesigned with furniture, lighting, and decorations. It's simple, playful, and shockingly realistic. And the fact that I built it just by talking, that's still the craziest part. You can publish, download, or preview it with one click. I just put the website link and this prompt in the description area. Go to test it freely and make your own one. So next, I'm going to build something more amazing. Let's say I want to create a digital resume and portfolio builder, so I'll write a prompt like, create an AI-powered resume and portfolio generator where users can enter their details and generate professional resumes, cover letters, and personal websites. In seconds, OnSpace starts working behind the scenes. Give it a moment. And there it is, a fully built resume builder website with all the sections ready to use. You'll see different creation options. You can choose templates, add your information, select tone, e.g. formal, friendly, bold, and generate results instantly. For example, if I choose the cover letter generator, enter the description here, and click Generate. And it produces a perfectly formatted cover letter within seconds. You can generate multiple things inside your platform. Resumes, cover letters, portfolio bios. One feature that I love is how you can switch the entire theme just by giving instructions. If I type, turn the design into a modern pastel theme and click Generate, the entire look updates instantly. If I want a night-friendly layout, I just type, apply a soft dark theme, and the design changes again. Super simple and super powerful. When you're happy with the site, you can publish, download, or preview it with one click. If I hit publish, it gives me a link and even lets me connect my custom domain. Now let's move to something even more interesting, building an app. This time, I'll create something totally new. An AI mood journal app where users can write about their day, and the AI generates insights, mood analytics, and motivational suggestions. Click Generate. Let it process. And here's our complete mood journal app. Users can enter how they're feeling, write their daily thoughts, select tags like work, family, stress, goals, view AI-generated insights, track their emotional progress over time. Just like that, your app is ready without writing a single line of code. One of the coolest things about OnSpace is that you can turn your app into a real income source without writing complex code. You can make money simply by adding a payment method and then publishing your app on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. For example, you can go to the chat panel and give a prompt like, make the app able to be purchased by users using real Stripe service. Create Supabase Edge functions to handle Stripe payments. Within a few seconds, OnSpace will add a complete payment plan system inside your app, create the required Supabase Edge functions for Stripe, allow you to paste your own Stripe API key, connect your app to real, live payments. Here you go. Simple, fast, and powerful. Once your payment system is added, you can upload your app to the Play Store and App Store, and you're ready to start earning money from users around the world. Your idea plus OnSpace and a fully monetized, publish-ready app. They also have a YouTube channel where they drop tutorials and updates. If you want to explore more features, definitely check it out. The link is in the description below. I really hope this helped you understand how incredibly easy it is to build apps and websites with OnSpace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.